It's a gift from my mama and papa, and they're supposed to. I don't want to get emotional, but it made me so mad. Hi guys, today we're gonna unbox the brothers.
Ang dami mong background.
It's the JA1400 model. We have scissors. And shout out to Chick Styles. Char lang. Okay. Open it. Woo, 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 woo. Guys, this was our wish list from a long time ago because we like sewing and yeah.
Hindi ba na sewing machine yan?
Oh man, it's a prank. It's a prank.
Yan yung charger.
Yun talaga yung charger eh.
Andiyan pala yung wire.
The sewing machine. Okay, we have here the stuff.
What stuff?
Pang needles and stuff. Yeah. And here is an instruction.
That you will never eat.
I will never read. And some styrofoam. And OM to the G, guys! It's here! Let me try to.
Yeah. You need help?
OM to the G! Super heavy. Woo! Look! Ta-da! Okay, there are some stuff here. This is
Dapakan.
pedal. Oh, I didn't know.
Paano
Ay, kaya pala umaandar siya. Ay, pala ganun mo lang. Parang siya nagsasap. Okay. Here is the sewing machine.
Magamit pa natin ito next year.
Bakit pagsabahan tayo kay Tyler ko? The owner of we're gonna be your next competitor. Watch out. Ha? 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 Don't post. Because we're coming for you. Ace Armoire is in the house.
I'm gonna post it.
What? No, post it. And tada! Here is the thing where you will put the stuff.
Okay, try
Some knobs here and there. Some buttons. There's no button. Some, I don't know.
Marunong ka ba talaga?
Hindi ako marunong. Hindi ako marunong eh.
I-YouTube na lang niya mamaya.
Yeah. Kasi paano kung false hope? Like, pinag-aralan ko lahat ng sewing machine tapos hindi pala.
Ayan ang may DVD.
Where? May DVD pala siya, guys. Kaya ino-open dapat ang mga booklets. Yeah.
Para sa video.
And here is made from China. Yeah, instructions manual. We're gonna be watching these so we can know how to do it. So yeah, guys, if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For our next video, we're gonna show you how we do it after we learn and after we watch the. Okay, guys, I hope you like the video unboxing. It's a gift from my mama and papa, and they're supposed to. I don't want to get emotional, but it made me so mad.